Hi everybody. I have been working on building a storage project down in the basement. If you've been watching me, you've probably been following along. But anyhow, I would like to show you something. I would like to show you to start with this battery. Okay? This is a Hitachi 18-volt battery. Now I want you to believe me when I say this. This battery is about 20 years old, and I'm not kidding you. And this battery still works like the day it was new. All right. Now I have 3 of these batteries that are 20 years old. Those are 18 volts, and I have a 36-volt battery that my son bought me last year. So, and this one only has one light left on it, and I'm running out of power for my project. So, funny enough, after more than 20 years yesterday, the battery charger for this absolutely just went belly up and died. Okay, so fortunately with Amazon's next day delivery, I was able to get a new charger. All right, and this is for 18 volts and 36 volts, and it's Metabo, which is the same name on that. I'll let you take a good peek at it. Now, I didn't realize this was in plastic, so I'm going to have to go get a scissors, and I'll be right back. All right, let's open this up. This is supposed to be a fast charger, so it's supposed to charge up an 18-volt battery. It's said in 15 minutes. So I don't know if that's actually true or not, but I'm not going to bother finding out. Instructions, and let's just cut this open. And there she is. That's the new charger. So I'm going to plug this in right behind you. And we'll charge the 18-volt battery, and then we'll charge the 36-volt battery. All right, that is plugged in. Even has a USB port on here in case you're out in the field and you want to charge your phone. But apparently, obviously, this would have to be plugged in to do that, right? This is not a wall mount. I was kind of hoping it might have been a wall mount, but it's not. But that's what it does when there's nothing in it. So let's take our 18-volt battery. It's going to be 5:50 p.m. And blue is charging. Okay, blue is charging. So it is 5:49. I'm going to say 5:50. At 6:05, we're going to come back, and it actually has a fan in it. You can hear it. At 6:05, I'm going to come back and see where this battery is. Now, this is completely dead. The tool's shut off, all right? And there's nowhere else to take it. So stay tuned. We'll be back in about 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes has gone by. It is 6:06. At 6:05, my alarm went off. I came in the room and the battery is fully charged. 15 minutes. 18 volt, completely dead, to a full charge, 15 minutes. So this battery is ready to go. I am going to plug in the 36 volt battery. I'm not going to time it because I don't really care how long it takes. But I'm going to plug in the 36 volt Metabo battery, and sometime later on, this will be charged. All right. Now that blinks blue for a while, and then the fan comes on because I guess it's a rapid charger. It generates more heat, and a fan will come on and keep it cool. There's the fan. And the venting's over here on the top of the charger. So this 18 volt is going to go for a while. Oh, it already has 2 bars, and I just plugged it in. Had one when I showed you before, but it might have been just right on the cusp of it. So big thumbs up to Metabo for the tools, for this 20-year-old battery, to the battery charger that came with this, that lasted for 20 years and died yesterday. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.